Hello children, in this video we are going to learn how to insert shapes in MS Word. So first of all you go on insert tab. Here you can see shapes in illustrations group. Click on shape. Here you can see various shapes. Now select any shapes of your desired. Just I am explaining some shapes. This is called line shapes. This is called line arrow shapes. This is called double arrow shape. So in this way you can take the any shapes. Okay, you can see here this is called curve shape, this is called free form shape, okay, and this is called free form scribble shape. In this way you just I am going to take a shape of my choice. Okay, suppose I have taken a triangle. Okay, I have taken a triangle. Now you again go to the format tab. As you select your shape, a new tab will appear, that is called the format tab. You go here, you can also see insert shape option is available. Click here and you can see now I am going to take a rectangle. So you can see here this is my rectangle. Okay, clear? And again I am going to take a rectangle. This is my rectangle. So you can see how I am using the shapes to draw. Now you can take rectangle and you can use the line to draw it. Okay, you should change the color of your line. In this way you can take the line. You can copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Another lines are created here, you just arrange it. Okay, in this way you can see here. Now I am going to use most important, this is called free form. Okay, free form means what? You can draw it in freehand drawing, like just you draw by using the pen. Just you can see here, double click, again you select the free form. Okay, you just use to draw it. Okay, so what you see here, okay, now you can see here. So let us start how to fill color. Suppose you select this shape, okay, and you can select any of the shape style. Okay, you can fill the color of your desired choice by selecting this. Okay, now you select this color, fill the shape. Okay, just you can see here, again you select this shape. Okay, here you can select the styles of your shape as per your requirement. Now you fill the shape again by using this color. Again you select this and you can fill the shape like this. Okay, so now we are going to insert another shape, that is called, suppose we are going to insert this smiley face. Okay, this is your smiley face. Let us start working with this shape. So you select the shape style here. Suppose I have selected this, you can change your choice. Okay, okay, now you select the shape fill color. Suppose I have selected this. By here you can select the width of the shape, thickness of the outlines. Okay, you can see here, you can select the color of your outlines. You can see here, here you can add the effects. Suppose I am going to add like this. Okay, you can see here. Okay, next I am going to draw a star. Just you see here, star, just search it, certainly it will be here. No star is here, it will be here, it should, You can see here, this is your star. Okay, now you just change the color like this. You change the shape outline like this. Okay, now I am going to add the 3D effects. You just see here. Okay, here you can add the shadow. Here you can here you can add the 3D effects, glow, whatever reflection, just you see reflection will be displayed. Okay, in this way you can add the shadow. Now I am going to, you just see, suppose you are removing it, so it is displaced from another place. This one is also getting displaced. So we are going to group all these shapes. For this purpose you have to select the shapes one by one. So first you select one shape and press the control key from your keyboard, and now click to another shape. What will you see? One by one your all the objects are getting selected. Okay, now select the lines, select the line, select this one, and select this, and select this also. So I think my all the shapes are selected. This is very interesting. You will see here, right click and you will see the group option. So now click on the group option. Your this individual shapes has become a single shape. Now you can increase the size of these shapes. Okay, so what you see here, this is very interesting, grouping. You can group the shapes. So now no shape is individual. Okay, once again I am going to tell you in simple way. You take a triangle, okay, and take a arrow inside it. Okay, just what you see here, your triangle is different and this shape is different. You select both the shapes. Okay, first you click on the triangle, press Ctrl key and select this, right click, click on group and click on. Now what you see, your shape has become a single thing. Okay, just I am going to teach you how to write triangle name in geometry. Suppose this is your triangle. Okay, you don't fill anything here, no fill. Okay, you can see your triangle. Suppose you want to write ABC. Okay, you write ABC in this triangle. Okay, to just you take a text box, select your image and go to the format tab and take a text box. Okay, in this text box you write here A, write here A. Okay, you just set the position of your text box in proper way. Okay, now you can see here, you can increase the size. Okay, this Control C, okay, Control V, you copy it and place it here. Control V, again you place it here. You just edit it. Now you made it B and you do it here C. Okay, again you select this shape and go to the format tab. Okay, and go to the shape outline. Here no outlines, so you see. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can keep it here and go to the format tab and select shape outline. No shape outline, you can see here C is written here. Again you select this and go to the no outline. Okay, so what you see here, your shape is, your triangle ABC is ready. Your triangle ABC is ready. Okay, so what you, now we are going to group it, select it one by one, just I had told you, and In this way, as I had taught you, you select all the shapes one by one and right click the mouse and click on group option. So what will you see after selecting all the shapes? You can group your triangle. In this way it will be a single figure. Now you like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching. Thank you.